Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are a Malwarebytes user and Google Chrome user, you had possibly some problems with Google Chrome after the Patch Tuesday updates of last week. It's a problem that Malwarebytes was working on. So basically, the fix that was given, or the workaround, which a lot of people didn't really like, but if you wanted to have it work, that was a workaround right now, was to turn off the protection from Malwarebytes within Chrome. So you would go into the settings, you would go into manage protection, and then turn off Google Chrome and plugins. Now Malwarebytes has issued an update for the software. So if you apply the Malwarebytes updates, they fix the issue. So if it wasn't working and you used another browser, well, now Chrome should be working. And if you did the change, don't forget to go back to Malwarebytes in the settings and in the manage protection and turn back on the Google Chrome and plugin option so that you turn it back on so that it works again. So with the latest update, Malwarebytes has fixed the issue. So that was something plaguing quite a lot of people. I saw enough people using Malwarebytes that it was apparent that it was a good number of people. I've seen a couple of comments about people saying, well, Malwarebytes is not an antivirus. Well, it is now. They used to be just a tool for scanning and removing malware, but now it's actually become a full-fledged antivirus software that some people use. So update Malwarebytes and go back in Google Chrome and turn back on the protection. Things should be fine today after the update of Malwarebytes. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.